Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to display compass on your map on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, go to your home page and click on this menu icon at the top. Then click on settings, tap on route planning and navigation. Scroll down to the bottom where you can find this compass section and click on it. Here you can show your compass by tapping on this button on the right side. And here you can select the preferred style, US or classic. So click on the relevant one and then it will be updated automatically. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.